So here is the lock sample. This model is called S15800F. F stands for fingerprint only. In this video, we're gonna talk about how to record fingerprint and how to delete fingerprint and how to use mechanical key to unlock. So when you in the first place, you receive the handle and you put the battery inside, and it is under the default unlock conditions. What does it mean? Whatever fingerprint you use to unlock, it can be unlocked. Try. Different fingerprint is under the default unlock conditions. If you want to change this condition, and only you can access this lock, so you're gonna need the mechanical key. On the mechanical key changes a tiny tool, and put the tiny tool in the cover, the lock cover, and there's a tiny hole, put inside and pull it out, pull the cover out. You're gonna saw the mechanical keyhole, put the key inside. This is the way we're gonna do manage the lock, record fingerprint data inside. Turn the key clockwise 45 degrees and until you saw the blue light on, and touch the fingerprint sensor 5 times. Until you hear the long beep sound along with the blue light always on. This means the fingerprint record has been added. So you use this finger to unlock this finger you have recorded just now. But if you want to delete the fingerprint, you can also use the fingerprint. Use the mechanical keys. Put inside and turn the keys clockwise for 5 degrees. And you saw the blue light, and until you saw the red light always, and you saw the red light, and immediately turn the key back to the original position and take it out. The lock data has been deleted and it returned back to the default unlock conditions. Okay guys, we are going to introduce the handle lock, which is installed on the single latch only. This is for single latch, one turn. This is called mortise, 2 turns, 1, 2. And this is right opening doors. This left opening doors. Okay. So the next step, we are going to introduce how to fit the same handle for the left opening doors and the right opening doors. So this handle has been installed on the left opening doors. This is left opening doors. So we are going to do the testing. You put the fingerprint sensor to unlock. Can unlocked, but if the lock has been locked, if you press the handle, you cannot unlocked, which means the installation process is correct. So finally, we come to our theme. We're gonna use the same handle and install it on the right opening doors. How to do that? There are 2 steps. The first step is remove the screws and adjusting the direction switch. This is direction switch. You can move this. Definitely. Here. And you install the screws again. step is simple. This is called pin, and this is called square steel. For the right opening doors, remember one thing: you can turn the square steel and make the pin horizontal to the handle facing. Horizontal pin direction. You might cannot see clearly. Show you. The pin direction is like this. Horizontal to the handle. Yes. So now you can install on the right opening doors the same handle. Remember, I showed you how to test if the installation is correct. Press the handle. The latches cannot go in because it's in the lock condition. What if you press the fingerprint? Yes, the latch can go in. It's unlocked, so the installation is correct. Okay, guys. In the last section, we talk about install the lock on the single latch. So in this section, we are going to talk about install on the mortise. We have the same handle, and the first step you need to do if you want to install on the mortise, remove the screws. If you want to install on the right opening doors, this is right opening doors, open by left, by right hand. So you're gonna need to make the pin and make it horizontal to the handle direction. But if you want to install on the left opening doors, you're gonna need to make it vertical to the handle. So we are install on the right opening door, so we make it horizontal to the handle direction. Go ahead, try. Fingerprint unlock. The reason we remove the screws is because we want to leave the handle and achieve double lock, so the direction switch, this piece can move freely. And for the back handle, the same, you're gonna need to remove the screws. Remove this from the handle and install. And tighten with screws, 2 screws. 1, 2. You can do it.